क्लास में रे।
Good morning friends and good morning teacher. My name is Alfie Bano. I am learning 5th class. I am going to tell today's date and day. Today's date is 23rd of October 2024. Today's day is Wednesday. Spelling of Wednesday Wednesday. Wednesday. Thank you. Now my friends Afrin and Amna going to tell today's good thought. Good morning teachers and good morning friends. My name is Afrin. I am in 5th class. I am going to tell good thought. Good thought is life is like a mirror. It will smile only when you smile. इसका अर्थ है कि जीवन एक आईने की तरह है. यह तभी मुस्कुराएगा जब आप मुस्कुराओगे. Second good thought is if you don't give up, one can defeat you. इसका अर्थ है कि अगर आप हार नहीं मानते तो आपको कोई नहीं हरा सकता. Thank you. Good morning teacher and good morning friends. My name is Amna Imran Mansoori. I am learning in 5th class. I am going to tell good thought. First good thought is one small thought in the morning can change your holiday. इसका अर्थ ये है सुबह का एक छोटा सा विचार आपका पूरा दिन बदल सकता है. आज का सेकंड गुड थॉट हैप्पी इज नॉट एग्री इट्स एटीट्यूड. इसका अर्थ ये है खुशी एक समझौता नहीं यह एक खाया है. थैंक यू. Thank you Amna and Afrin. Now my friends Ritika is going to tell today's specialty of the day. Good morning friends and good morning teachers. My name is Ritika Dinesh Binjhade. I am learning 5th class. I am going to tell specialty of the day. Today's specialty of the day is the special day on October is मोल डे. इसका अर्थ यह है कि मोल दिवस हर साल 23 अक्टूबर को मनाया जाता है. यह दिन एवोगैड्रो संख्या की याद में मनाया जाता है जो रसायन विज्ञान में एक बुनियादी माप इकाई है. रसायन विज्ञान में रुचि पैदा करने के लिए इस दिन की शुरुआत की गई थी. थैंक यू. Thank you Ritika. Now my friend Tanu is going to tell today's story. Good morning friends and good morning teachers. My name is Tanu Ramprasad Kathal. I am learning 5th class. I am going to tell story. Story name is A Thirsty Crow. It was summer. The day was very hot. A crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but he could not find any water. At last he was a pot with very little water inside. He thought of a plan. He picked up stones from nearby and dropped them into the pot. One by one the water came up. The crow drank the water and fell away happy. Moral: we should use our common sense. Thank you. Attention! Get ready for the meditation. Close your eyes. Start the meditation. असतो